Hi, I'm Daniel DeRocha, President of Erika Record Baking Equipment, and thank you for joining us at IBIE 2022.
We were proud to showcase a sampling of our various equipment solutions. This includes our industry-leading Erika Record divider rounder lineup. We also displayed a wide assortment of cookie machines, including robust wire release solutions from Dayton and the completely re-engineered Janssen F-Series rotary cookie machine. Also present were renowned depositing solutions from Mono. We also displayed high-quality tempering, enrobing, and one-shot depositing solutions from Pomadi. From LP Group, we also featured an assortment of built-to-last mixing options, including fixed bowl, removable bowl, and self-tilting spiral mixers. We displayed our high-quality tabletop and floor sheeters from Zmatic. Also on display were bread production solutions from Colbake, including a complete baguette line with a stress-free volumetric divider, intermediate proofer, and molder. From Tagliavini, a world leader in oven technology, we displayed high-quality deck, rack, and convection ovens, as well as a double rack retarder proofer option. We also demonstrated our industry-leading horizontal slicing solutions from Crumbine, including multi-layered cake slabbing and tabletop roll processing solutions. Lastly, we partnered with STM to display high-tech water dosing and chilling solutions.
Thank you again for joining us. For more information, visit erikarecord.com.
We are Erika Record!